History has always played a huge part in my life. My mom taught me at a very early age to appreciate the past and to find ways to keep those memories and those ideas and those recipes and those people alive. The past has so much to give us and so much to teach us. It's the very mission and the core of what Timeline Theater is all about. For 22 years, we've been looking at plays that look back at histories, at stories from the past, from all different sorts of worldviews, different perspectives, and different cultures, different time periods, in order to spark conversation with our audiences. What we hope at Timeline Theater is that you're coming to enjoy one of these stories that will help you understand something better about your present, about who you are, about where you're going, and also perhaps understand the world around you a little bit better. You're the final piece to Timeline. Without you, we're just telling stories in a dark room. But with you, we're exploring those stories and taking them outside the theater and starting conversations. We hope you'll consider donating to Timeline today. Invest in us so we can continue exploring the past, so we can better understand our present and maybe even change our future for another 77 productions and perhaps 22 more years. Thanks for donating to Timeline and making history with us.